Here's how you're going to improve your IELTS speaking band. Hi, I'm Malshani and this is English with Mal. To improve your speaking score at the IELTS, you need to do one thing. That is, add complex sentences into your speech. So what are complex sentences? Complex sentences are sentences which combine a main clause with a subordinate clause, or for easy understanding I put it this way, a main idea with a supporting idea using words such as, because, though, while, when, since, and unless. There are more words. You have to Google these and find out. But using these words, if you create sentences in your speech and if they are accurate, you will get a really high score for grammatical range and accuracy, which is one criterion on which you are marked at the speaking test. So if you bring your grammatical range and accuracy score high, your overall score will also be higher. Remember that. So I'll teach you more on complex sentences later on, but for now, remember, use complex sentences as much as possible, as accurately as possible, to increase your overall speaking test score. Right. Then for more tips and tricks like this, follow me, subscribe, and stay tuned. Goodbye.